What's up guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot in Filmora 13 as well as how to take a screenshot using the built-in tools of Windows 11. Added to that, I will also show you the tools that I'm currently using to take a screenshot on my computer. By the way, if you are new here, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Alright, so let's go to my computer screen. Okay, this is Filmora 13. So supposing that I have a video like this and I have a title here. This is an unboxing video. So I try to create a YouTube thumbnail for my video inside Filmora 13. So this is the title, okay, unboxing and satisfying 10-minute video, ASMR, sounds, vlogs, stuff like that. And now I want to take a screenshot of this screen. So this is the preview window, so I can use it for my thumbnail. Okay, and now if I want to take a screenshot, all I need to do is to click this snapshot button or screenshot button, I'm sorry, or you can press the shortcut key here. So it is Control and S for the screenshot, and then you can just click here. And next up, you want to select the file format right here, the snapshot format. So there will be two file format. The first one is PNG and the second one is JPEG. Sometimes when you take PNG format, it is bigger than YouTube requirement. It is more than 2 megabytes, so you have to change it to JPEG. By the way, I just leave it PNG. And down here you have the location on your computer. Okay, you can change it. For example, you can change it to somewhere on your computer, but I'm going to save it in my computer Filmora 13 folders, Wondershare, Filmora, and Snapshot, because this is where I find my snapshot. Okay, and then click cancel. Next option is to set the snapshot as thumbnail. It will be the thumbnail of your video, or you will see it at the beginning of the video when you export it to your computer. Okay, by the way, I don't want to set it as my thumbnail. And next up is remember my choice. So it will remember the snapshot format right here. So if you click it, next time when you click the snapshot, it will automatically PNG. Okay, for example, I can click OK. Okay, and this is my snapshot, and now I can find it on my computer. Just right click here and then select review in Explorer. Okay, so this is the snapshot, or this is the thumbnail. It is on my computer and it is 1.94 megabyte, and it is according to YouTube requirement. Okay, so I can use it for my thumbnail. So it's nice, right? By the way, if you want to change the format of the file after you click remember my choice, for example, I just close this one, and now if you take a snapshot, it will be here. So it automatically create a snapshot, but it is bigger than the YouTube requirement. Then you want to change it to JPEG. Now you need to go to File, and then you want to select Preferences, and then you want to select Editing. Okay, and scroll down here. You see the snapshot format. So this is PNG, and you want to change it to JPEG if you want. Okay, and set it as the thumbnail also. It is available here. And then you want to click Apply. And now you want to click the snapshot button again. Okay, we can check it. Right click here, select Review in Explorer to see the file size and the type. So this is the file, and it is JPEG file. So it is 233 kilobyte. So that is how to take a snapshot in Filmora 13. By the way, if you don't have Filmora 13 and you still want to take a snapshot on your Windows computer, there's an option for you. We use the snipping tools. So we can find it right here and type snip. So this is the snipping tool, or the new tools is snip and sketch. So you can select snipping tool. So it is the same. Okay, and now you have the new button here. Just click the new button, and now you can draw a line on your computer to take a snapshot. Okay, and now it is the image here, and you want to click File and Save As, and save the snapshot on your computer to use it. Okay, by the way, you can also annotate on the screen. Also, you can draw something. For example, we can highlight or draw something here. This is the built-in tools in Windows 11. You can use it if you don't want to take a snapshot in Filmora. Okay, or buy another snapshot tools. All right, by the way, the tool that I'm currently using to take a snapshot is Snagit. This is a product of TechSmith, which is a US company, and they develop CAMTASIA, which is a screen recorder and video editor. So I also buy Snagit because whenever I take a snapshot here on my computer, I can send it directly to CAMTASIA, and it is very convenient for me for making video. And this is not a free product, you have to buy it. So the current price is $39 US per lifetime. By the way, you can use my 10% discount coupon code to save your money, both with Snagit and CAMTASIA. Okay, so this is the code. If you want to buy it or try it, I will put the link in the description for you. And here's how I use it. For example, I go to Snagit and then I click the capture button. Okay, and then we can capture the screen, and we have the video capture also. By the way, I just want to capture the screen. For example, I want to capture this pricing plan. Okay, and next up is the Snagit editor, so you can edit your image or edit your screenshot. For example, I can draw a shape here. For example, I want to draw a shape around Snagit like this, and then I want to add an arrow like this. Okay, so that's easy, right? And then I can just click here to send it to CAMTASIA. So this is the option to send to CAMTASIA, or I can send it to my computer. Click file and then save it. And also there are many options here for editing this image in Snagit. By the way, if you want to learn how to use Snagit, I will put the link right here, because I make a full tutorial about how to use Snagit on my YouTube channel. Alright, so that's enough for today's video. I hope it is helpful for you. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.